Thank you very much for joining me on this Sunday. I'm meteorologist Brian Shields. I hope you're having a good day so far. I'm watching the first tropical wave of the season now in the Caribbean. Not all tropical waves are created equal. Some could give us a lot of flooding, others not a whole lot of rain. There's not a ton with this, but overnight the forecast panned out from what we were talking about yesterday. We had some thunderstorms over toward Trinidad, for example, just a sign of things to come. First tropical wave again in the Caribbean, and you see a lot more action out here. So things are starting to ramp up as we transition into the wet season, kind of a slow transition for a lot of us. We're still dealing with the water shortages and water restrictions in many spots in the Caribbean. But here's what's going on. Now, 4 tropical waves. 1, 2, 3, 4. None do I see any signs of tropical development out of them. But as they progress toward the Caribbean, we'll trend wetter and wetter. And I want to show you in a second, in the central and western Caribbean, the rain chance this week, it's going to be going up. Cayman Islands, Jamaica, Cuba, a much higher chance of rain coming our way. So I want to dive into that. Here's the Gulf, watching rainstorms, parts of Texas. We had that little blob work its way into the Carolinas, scattered showers, Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, kind of on and off as we get over toward Bermuda. But what's going to happen throughout this week? A surge of moisture back through the western and central Caribbean. No area of high pressure, nothing to block it. Actually, a little weak storm system could develop in the Caribbean and give us that much better chance of some rain. Want to jump out here in the eastern Pacific, and you see here that blob of some of the rain. Eastern Pacific hurricane season started May 15th. No signs of development out of this, but did just want to let you know, keep an eye on that. Better chance of some rain today, central parts of Mexico. All right, look what happens here. Now, this is this afternoon. First tropical wave has moved in. Scattered showers. Could see a few Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago. Higher rain chance, Guyana, we could see some isolated flooding today, watching over towards Suriname. We could get clipped by a few showers as the week goes on across the ABC Islands. Now, let me take you into tomorrow. Stop it here. Better chance of afternoon storms, Jamaica, Cuba, Haiti, Dominican Republic tomorrow, and Puerto Rico. Could see some passing showers, British, U.S. Virgin Islands, St. Martin, St. Barts. You get toward Anguilla, Antigua, and Barbuda. Just passing variety, Dominica, Martinique, Guadeloupe, St. Lucia, Barbados. Still some rain possible for Trinidad and Tobago, and of course for Guyana, that higher chance of some rain. But look at this. Look what happens as we get into the week ahead. Let me stop it here. This is on Tuesday. What I was just talking to you about a minute ago, the surge in moisture starting to feed in. Look at all this rain. There could be a little weak storm system developing in here. Not seeing any signs that it would become anything tropical, but I always keep an eye on that for you. Nonetheless, regardless, you see again, more rain. Cuba, the Cayman Islands, where we have been so dry. Jamaica, better chance of rain on Tuesday. Even Haiti and the Dominican Republic. Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, same thing over toward Colombia. And some of this may feed back toward Honduras and Belize. Close call here because we need the rain. Yucatan and Mexico, back through Belize. At least we have a better chance, but you see it for yourself. That surge of moisture as we get into the upcoming week, we are going to have lots to track together. Now, in the short term through tomorrow night, best chance of rain, southern tier, Guyana. We could have some spots over 75 millimeters of rain. We could pick up another 50 millimeters of rain, couple inches in some spots over toward Trinidad. Some afternoon storms, Haiti in the Dominican Republic could give us a few downpours. And then we slide into the Western Caribbean. Again, Mexico, Belize, very dry. Central Mexico, better chance of some rain. And higher totals, Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua. Not for all of us. This is kind of the scattered storms, but we could get a few spots getting over 75 millimeters of rain. Costa Rica, Panama, same thing. Jamaica, we could get some spotty showers. But again, as we work our way into that upcoming week, that's when that rain chance is really going to shoot up. So let's talk about some of the forecasts for us as we go forward. Belize today, rain chance 30%. Same thing tomorrow, a 40% chance though on Monday, slightly higher, at least trending in the right direction. We get back through Jamaica and look at this surge of moisture, 60% chance of rain tomorrow, up to a 70 to 80% chance of wet weather. I'm going to keep an eye on any flooding concerns for you in Jamaica. Thank you for sharing this channel, especially as we get into the hurricane season. We're going to have a lot to cover, so thank you for sharing this around Jamaica. My friends in Antigua and Barbuda, rain chance about 20 to 30% today through early in the week, and generally the same thing as we get toward Anguilla. Passing showers, again, possible, just not not a whole lot. Rain chance about 20%, and that's generally it. We swing back toward Barbados, rain chance about 30%. Same thing over toward St. Lucia, so a few passing showers will be possible. St. Vincent and the Grenadines holding at about 30 to 40% chance the next 3 days as far as that rain is concerned. And Trinidad and Tobago, best chance south side. Again, Trinidad in particular, the forecast already panned out. We already had some rain and storms in many spots. 70% chance for what's left of today, tomorrow, and Tuesday. Still kind of active, about a 50 to 60% chance of some of those scattered showers and storms. So no signs of a name system yet. First name on the list for the hurricane season, which again starts June 1st, is Arlene, Brett, Cindy, Don, Emily, Franklin, and Gert after that. Hopefully we don't get too far down the list, but I'll be here to track everything for you. So with that said, we have 4 tropical waves out there. Again, no signs of development in those, but as they march into the Caribbean, the rain chance will gradually get higher and higher, and the rain chance definitely getting higher near Jamaica this week. It will be turning wet. We're going to be tracking that together. Hurricane season starting June 1st. So again, thank you for sharing this channel. I'll do my best to keep you covered. Have a great rest of your day.